Now here we have three equation and we will change the form of the question like this. Uh, in place of x plus y is equal to 0, we can write 1x plus 1y plus 0z is equal to 0. And for y plus z is equal to 1, we will write 0x plus 1y and plus 1z is equal to 1, and this will be 1x plus 0y plus 1z is equal to 3. So this is the modified form of the question. We have to find value of x, y and z by Kramer's rule. So first of all we will find del. Let's find del. The value of del will be 101, 110 and 011, 011. So this is the determinant form and we have to solve it. So in this column there is 10, in this column there is 10, everywhere there is 10. Okay, so it is better we will turn it in one more 0 form. For that what can we do? We can I'm taking column, I can do with column 2. I will do C2 minus C1. I will subtract column C1 from C2. So after this, what is the form? 101 and column 2 minus column 1, that means 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1 minus 0 is 1 and 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Simple. Column 2 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1 and 0 minus 1 minus 1. Got it? Then we will use 0 1 1. So now expand it with first row with respect to first row. So the form after the expansion will be 1. Leave the yellow portion. You will find 1 1 and minus 1 1. So it will be, this moment, it will be 1 into cross multiply and subtract. 1 into 1 will be 1 into 1 will be 1, 1 into minus 1 will be 1 and subtract them. So you will get 1 plus 1. You will get 2. So its value will be 2. So the value of del is 2. So the value of del is 2. Now we have to find the value of del x, del y and del z. So del is a finite number, so there will be finite solutions for x, y and z. So let's find del x. To find del x, in place of coefficient of x, we will put 0 1 3. So we'll put 0 1 3 in place of coefficient of x. In place of coefficient of y and z, there will be no change. There will be 1 1 0 and 0 1 1. So 1 1 0, 1 1 0 and 0 1 1. 1 1 0 and 0 1 1. Okay, 1 1 0 and 0 1 1. Now here we have this magical row in which there are two zeros, so expand it according to this column, magical row, so we are expanding with respect to the first row. So what will the value? Del x is equal to, just take the sign convention, that will be plus, minus and plus, so it will be minus 1, and after leaving yellow portion you will get 1 1 1 1 and 3 1, and cross multiply and subtract them, we will get del x is equal to minus 1 and 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 into 3 is 3, and we will get del x is equal to 2. Del x is equal to 2. So this is the value of del x. Now we can find the value of x. The value of x will be del x upon del. So the value of del x is 2, and the value of so the first answer is 1. Value of x is 1. Similarly, we can find the value of del y. So to find del y, we will leave coefficient of x and z, that means 1 0 1 and 0 1 1, and so in place of coefficient of y we will write 0 1 3. So write it. First is x as it is. What was x? 1 0 1. 1 0 1 is as it is, and in place of coefficient of y we will put 0 1 3. Let's put 0 1 3, and in place of z we will put 0 1 1. 0 1 1. So you got the magical row. First row is a magical row. Find the value. Now you will get del y is equal to 1 into, leave the yellow portion, 1 1 and 3 1. So it will be del y is equal to 1 into 1 minus 1 into 3, that means 1 minus 3. So this will be del y is minus 2. Got it? Outside is 1. So now the value of y will be del y upon del. Del y is minus 2 upon del is, what is del? 2. So the value of y is minus 1. And the third thing, find the value of del z. For del z, just leave the x and y as it is, and in place of z we will put 0, 1, 3. So x is 101 and 110, 101 and 110, 101 and 110. In place of z we will put 0, 1 and 3. 0, 1 and 3. We'll put 0, 1 and 3. Got it? Now here we don't have the magical row or magical column. So do one thing. You can do with column number 2. You can subtract column number 2 and column number 1. What we'll get? Del z is equal to, subtract column 2 and column 1. Column 1 as it is 101, C2 minus C1, that means 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, and 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and 0, 1, 3 as it is. So we have 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 1 is minus. So now expand it according to first row. So we'll get del y is equal to, no, it is del z. Del z is equal to 1, first term is there, 1, and leave the yellow portion. 1, 1 minus 1, 3, 1, 1 and minus 1 into, minus 1, 3, sorry, not into. So it will be del z is equal to 1, cross multiply and subtract them. So this will be 1 into 3 minus 1 into minus 1, that means plus 1. So it will be del z is equal to 4. Got it? Now what is the value of z now? Z will be del z upon del z is 4 upon del is 2. So 4 upon 2 is 2. 4 upon 2 is 2. So this is the third answer.